Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your K375s keyboard. First, make sure your keyboard has two fresh AAA batteries inserted correctly. The K375s offers two primary connection methods, Bluetooth Smart and the Logitech unifying receiver. We'll cover both options, allowing you to seamlessly switch between up to 3 different devices. This versatility makes the K375 the fantastic choice for a multi-device setup, enhancing your productivity across various platforms. Connecting with the unifying receiver is straightforward. Simply plug the small USB receiver into an available port on your computer. Next, turn on your K375's keyboard using the power switch located on the top right. Then, press and hold one of the 3 yellow easy switch keys, labeled 1, 2, or 3, for about 3 seconds until its LED light starts blinking rapidly. Your keyboard should now be paired and ready to use. For Bluetooth connectivity, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your computer, tablet, or phone. Turn on your K375's keyboard and select an available easy switch channel by pressing one of the yellow keys. Hold that key for 3 seconds until its LED light blinks quickly. On your device, open the Bluetooth settings and select Logitech K375s from the list of available devices. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. One of the best features of the K375 is its ability to switch between up to 3 connected devices effortlessly. Once you've paired your devices using either the unifying receiver or Bluetooth, simply press the corresponding yellow easy switch key, labeled 1, 2, or 3. The LED light above the selected key will illuminate for about 5 seconds, confirming the switch. This allows for quick and efficient transitions between your computer, tablet, and smartphone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.